Inspired by Deco Rug.
The Crete Rug Collection is a beautifully styled modern range with a high-density, luxurious deep pile made with soft-touch frise yarn. This three-dimensional embossed styling effect is achieved using a specially developed shrink yarn poly, which accentuates the pattern and gives the collection this amazing look and feel. Here's what else you might like about the Crete Rug Collection. These rugs are extremely hard wearing with a 20mm pile height and are ideal for busy households. They're completely colour fast and easy to clean, so you don't need to worry what little kids, or even big kids for that matter, might drop or spill on them. The heat set fibre is anti-static and non-shedding. No amount of wear and tear will cause fluff or dust buildup, so they're perfect for those who may have dust allergies or who just want to maintain a clean home environment. The Crete Rug Collection by Merinos. Beautiful styling with up to 15 designs to choose from in all standard sizes. They're excellent quality, exceptional value for money, and available now for you to purchase online or at your preferred Deco Rug retail store. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed shopping with us here at Deco Rug. Bye for now.